Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Cadillac XTS battery. First, ensure your vehicle is off and parked on a level surface. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective eyewear and gloves to shield yourself from potential battery acid or electrical issues. Gather your tools, including a wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. The battery in your Cadillac XTS is usually located under the rear seat or in the trunk, so find it before proceeding. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start with the negative terminal. Use your wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal, loosening the nut and removing the positive cable. Be sure to keep the cables from touching any metal parts of the car. After both cables are off, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery. Then, carefully lift the old battery straight out of its tray. With the old battery removed, it's time for the new one. First, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with a wire brush or a specialized cleaner. This ensures a good connection. Now, carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly oriented. Secure it with a hold-down clamp or strap. Finally, connect the positive cable first, then the negative cable, tightening both securely to prevent any loose connections. You're almost done. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and free from any corrosion. Once everything looks good, start your Cadillac XTS to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. You might need to reset some electronic settings, like your clock or radio presets. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Finally, please dispose of your old battery responsibly at a certified recycling center. Great job, you've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.